the ship is burning. The ship is burning. It looks like they're just blowing tubes. Kids just having fun. And you see Angie got wet, so you know she was having fun. Of course, I jumped in as well. We all had a little fun, but there was no one here to take pictures of us having fun. But take my word for it, we got wet. And we had some fun. Now we're going for a little walk, dry off a little bit, and watch this ship blow tubes. Tours. More pollution, of course, but I used to do that too. In the background there's you might barely see it. It's a little island back there. That's Grande Island. We used to go there all the time for they had a little R&R resort over there, and back there on this point there, right behind the point, it's Subic Bay Naval Station and Subic Bay Naval Station. I got it. And Grande Island too. Grande Island. And the pollution and everything. And RJ Tours. Angie having fun. Watch out. That rope. I'm just telling you, watch out. I told you, watch out. Oops, whoops. I have to watch out myself. Whoops. Tripped over it twice. Okay. Sure wish I could meet up with John B. He likes to tour this place all the time and go walking up in the mountains and everything. I'd like to meet up with that guy. He's so cool. And to him, everything is amazing. That's what I like about that guy. Everything is amazing. They're enjoying the shade. The smart thing to do. It's pretty warm outside, but the water is warm and it's nice. Yeah, right in front of this pillar right here.
Where?
Right where she's standing.
Yeah.
It's a good place. Despite the gray color of the sand, it is a really nice place to visit and stay. And for sure, especially if you're under the age of maybe 60 or 70, it's a great place to have fun. That's the palm trees.